Did you know that the sound of a woodpecker pecking can be heard half a mile away? Their beaks hammer at a speed of up to 20 times per second, with a force that would give most creatures a headache. Yet, they're just fine. How? Their skulls have evolved with a special spongy bone to absorb shock. And their long tongues wrap around their brains, providing extra cushioning. Nature's own safety helmet. Fascinating, isn't it? For more intriguing facts, stay tuned. Until then, keep pecking away at your goals, just like a woodpecker.